I'm up and it's 7 a.m. and today we are going to go to visit a village and a wildlife sanctuary, and I hope it is going to be very interesting because I'm very tired and I want only good things to happen. So I'm expecting all the good things to happen today and to have a good time. Yesterday was nice. I had a lot of fun and we did some work and the evening was awesome. So hope today is going to be even better. We are now having breakfast and now we are going to
forest.
we're going now to forest to explore this wildlife, and we are going to be going to this temple called Sita Mata temple. On this temple only they named the wildlife sanctuary Sita Mata sanctuary. I have been crossed this way many times but never got a chance to visit it. So finally I'm going there. So I'm excited about it. Hey, it's around 11:30 and we are almost free. We are waiting for the jeep to come. Then we might go to jungle and the temple that I told you. So it's a leisure time. I'm a little bit bored and missing people around me because I'm here alone. And I guess I'll be done by tomorrow afternoon. So hopefully I can leave tomorrow evening so that I can reach on time and do stuff. A lot of things needs to be done, I need to edit more videos, upload the one that I have edited already, and some shopping, some random things. So yeah, I'm already missing home. So we are now leaving and this is our ride. It's going to be nice. Fun starts from here. We have stopped in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Now we are heading into the jungle. You might get to see leopards and panthers here, and you have to I'm not scared, I'm excited. And this is this guy making funny noises. Yeah. Well, it was not enough though, so it's fine.
Asha, I think I should start doing this every day. Coming here, going up, coming here, going down.
It's getting awesome. So you have to cross this.
Careful the sand, the stone rock.
हाँ 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 नहीं मैं उस पर जोर नहीं लगा रही. Jumping. We are there are like 60% chances we can bring panther. Look at the gadgets that we have, and that guy ahead of us is showing us the way. This poor guy is carrying our bag, breaking the branches to go ahead. Look at this beautiful thing here. Can you see that stone? Amazing, isn't it? This could be a cave of some kind of tiger, panther. ध्यान रखजो. So, how are you liking it?
I'm loving it.
हाँ बाकी तो गिरने दो सबको. Looks like we have arrived. So we are now inside the cave.
There's two panthers there.
And there are actually marks of panther. You can see only if you know how they look. Stop it. And this guy is making symbols, nothing else.
Listen, our pants are filled with the markers.
Where, man?
Shit, there's something inside.
What? Where? Okay, bees. पानी डालेंगे तो दिखेगा ये. अरे हाँ, there are some drawings on the wall. Oh yeah. Can you see this? My God. Wow. We are at the top of the jungle and it's crazy. I never thought it's gonna be like this. I am now on the topmost place in the jungle, and from here the whole Dayawar jungle is visible. It's mesmerizing even in this season. I don't know what happens in the rain. Oh, I would like to know. And there are our jeeps. Whew. All I need is water. आपका नाम?
शंकरलाल।
शंकरलाल जी।
हाँ जी।
अटे कई करो आप?
अटे तो जंगल में चौकीदारी।
चौकीदारी आप करो?
हाँ जी।
तो सारा पैंथर आपका दोस्त है?
हाँ सब दोस्त हैं।
We had a great adventure.
Yes, we did.
Indeed.
Yeah.
She's Divya.
Hi.
You know Vijay, and you know me, of course. And look at my hands. You can't see, but they are all scratched very badly. I can show you the thorns I have here on my pant, and some are here. We are done with the jungle. Now we're heading out. Open the gates for us. Bye bye. Thank you.